Welcome to 20 Car. Italian cars are more than machines. They are masterpieces that embody the very essence of Italy: passion, elegance, and an unwavering pursuit of beauty. When you see an Italian car, whether it's a Ferrari, Lamborghini, or Maserati, you don't just see a vehicle, you witness a piece of art in motion. The Italian automotive legacy is built on a unique blend of exquisite design, raw power, and meticulous craftsmanship, creating cars that captivate the senses and thrill the soul. Take the 2025 Lamborghini Huracan, for example. This car is a storm of pure Italian fury, with razor-sharp lines, a low-slung stance, and aerodynamics that seem to defy gravity. Its silhouette commands attention, embodying both elegance and aggression. The signature front intakes and the iconic rear profile are unmistakably Lamborghini, exuding a timeless, thrilling charisma. Inside, the Huracan's cockpit feels like a jet fighter's cockpit, wrapped in Alcantara, leather, and carbon fiber. The digital display, which provides a wealth of information at a glance, makes the driver feel like they're at the helm of something otherworldly. The ignition switch, a flip-up lever, adds a dash of excitement before the V10 engine roars to life, and that engine, an absolute marvel, pumps out 631 horsepower, rocketing the Huracan from 0 to 100 kilometers height in just 2.9 seconds. This powerhouse competes with the Ferrari F8 Tributo and McLaren 720S, carving out its place in the Supercar Hall of Fame. But owning one of these Italian treasures is about more than performance. It's about the experience, the thrill, the heart-stopping excitement of driving an icon born of Italian passion. An Italian car is a masterpiece, a lifestyle, and an enduring legend, one that resonates with anyone who has ever dreamed of the open road.